Think only professional designers can create great logos? Think again. You can create an amazing logo that connects you to your audience in minutes using BrandCrowd Logomaker. Break free from the same old, boring looking logos. Watch this video to learn how. Before we start, I recommend researching what other logos in your industry look like. I bet you'll notice a pattern of very similar logos between competitors. You want your business to stand out of the crowd, don't you? So you need to start by making sure your logo does too.
A good logo helps brands set themselves apart from the competition. From there, you can start figuring out what components your design will be made of. Now that we got that part over with, it's time for you to pick a color scheme for your brand. You can use colors to link positive attributes to the design. This is because people subconsciously associate colors to human characteristics. For example, using the color blue communicates innovation and reliability, making it an excellent choice for tech companies. You can use other color options in the spectrum too. Reading up on color psychology will definitely give you a better idea of what color you should use for your design. The next element we're going to talk about is typography. Pick and readable fonts will make your design clearer and easier to read. This helps your audience know and remember what your brand name is. You can even create combination with fonts for an eye-catching contrast. One of my favorite techniques is combining a chunky font with a skinny font together. In this example, I've used a thick font called Alpha Slab 1, along with a more slender one called Antic Slab. This is a great combination for displaying your brand name and slogan in a stylish way. Another tip, make sure that you space your text properly. Bad spacing will make your logo hard to read. If you want to take your logo to the next level, you can add illustrations or graphics to fit your niche. For example, bakery companies can use drawings of baguettes or cupcakes in their design. Using symbols is a self-explanatory way to represent your goods and services. Your message will reach those who don't speak the same language as you.
Think outside of the box to make your logo as unique as possible. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's look at how we can speed things up for you. BrandCrowd Logomaker will allow you to create a great logo within minutes.
All you need to do is browse the design gallery and use the Logomaker tool to customize your logo. The website is filled with industry-related designs that are organized to help you find the best design for your brand easily. For example, if you have a business and consulting brand, you can scan the designs within that gallery and discover great options for things like finance, leadership, management, PR, recruitment, and other related sectors. If you can't find a tag for your company, simply type a related keyword onto the search bar, press Create Logos, and get ready to have hundreds of related designs generated just for you. New logo designs are added to our library every day, and each logo has been curated by a professional team of graphic designers.
Just head over to brandcrowd.com/maker to get a logo that will make your company stand out. This is the logo design tool you've been looking for. Give it a try today.